Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. This is a Smashlots box of brand new clothing. It's usually high-end clothing that I got, and I'm going to give you the breakdown and open up this box and let's find out what's in it. All right, so I've got this Smashlots box. It's all clothing. It is men's clothing from Smashlots.com. It's a different company than I do some unboxings for, but I've always been very pleased with the type of clothing I get. It's usually very high-end, anywhere from Macy's brand to even like higher-end mall-type stores. Everything is usually brand new. This is all men's, like I said. A typical box will be $162.50. You'll pay $30 in shipping, and usually contains about 25 units, which makes it to be about $7.70 per item. So let's get into this box. Going to be very careful not to cut very deep because it's clothing items in here. And let's see what kind of condition we see this Smashlots type of box that you get. I'm really pleased with working with this company, and I usually am very pleased with the type of product I get from them. So these are men's clothes, so that's going to be good. I don't carry as much men's clothes. US Polo Assassin Association, big and tall, size 3XL. That's awesome. Plus sizes usually sell amazing for me. And so that's going to be really, really good. Brand new, nice brand. This is a, let's see what brand this is. A nice suit coat. Very, very nice. Izod is the brand. Regular fit. I don't know what size it is. It's a very, very nice coat. So my husband's in need of new suit coat jackets since he started losing a bunch of weight. A 52 regular. Sorry, hon, it's too big for you. You got too skinny. So that's a nice one. Here is a nice sweatshirt, a 2XLT. So it's an extra large tall 2XL. US Polo again. Here is a pink one. I'm not sure this is a men's. This is a women's one, medium. So I knew I was going to get a little bit of variety in this one. This is a medium. Oh, that's my size. I should wear this one. That's a cute one. Might have to keep that one. Don't keep the stuff, Heather. You have to sell it for money. Sorry. Yelling at myself because I always want to keep everything. A Van Heusen, really nice long sleeve polo, size large. Very, very trendy. Here's a pair of pants, nice dress pants. As you can see, everything is in great condition. Waist 48, 38 inseam of a pair of J. Farrar big and tall suit coat pants. Here's a really nice sweater. This is an extra large. Nice sweater, perfect for Christmas time. Jeans by Buffalo is the name of the company. Here's another polo. This one is an extra, extra tall. Extra, extra large, tall. It looks basically exactly like that blue one I pulled out, only it's gray. And then I've got Stafford pants, 36 by 30. Hey, babe, these might fit you because you got all skinny on me. So these are a nice classic fit, flat front Stafford flex waistband. And then I've got an XXL micro fleece rolled pants, a pair of pajama pants. So as you can see, a variety of different sizes, kind of regular sizes all the way up to the plus sizes with that 4XL, the first one I pulled out. So this box only actually had 10 things in it. So I didn't actually pay the $162.50. I paid a little bit less than that. But as you can see, it's really nice high-end stuff from Smashlots, and you're going to get good quality stuff if you order from them. And like I said, you're going to probably pay on average about $7.70 per item. So I got, 10 items here, so I probably spent about I was around $77 plus shipping with my box. So usually the boxes are bigger than this. This is just a smaller version of what you could get. So check out Smashlots.com. I hope this has been a good video to find out what kind of quality item you're going to get from Smashlots. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
This is Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.